See you guys.
You know, during spring break, and for like 2 hours.
Tell them about the ham.
She wants some whiteboard markers. I kept like making sure the cat was on. And when you would get to the electrical outlets, there's a red one. The hands are like black from the whiteboard markers after. Oh yeah. Yeah, it was so gross. No, he didn't run it. Yeah, she's like, I'm gonna go back inside. Yeah.
That's right. It's a big day. It's a celebration day, isn't it? Yeah. It's a celebration.
Oh, what a day! And I am the center.
It's not every day you get christened, is it?
Love to show you some pictures. I know. I mean, you missed it.